Good morning, students of Faculty of Agriculture, 2018-19 batch, 4th semester. Today I am going to deliver a topic on the cultivation package of practices of Bayer. Bayer Ziziphus mauritiana, its botanical name, family Rhamnaceae, and 2n chromosome number is 48 tetraploid. Its origin is Indo-Malaysian region of Southeast Asia. Bayer or jujube is an ancient fruit crop of India, and it is relished for its sweet and sour fruits. It is an ideal fruit tree for arid and semi-arid region in tropical and subtropical climate. It is highly suitable for marginal land and hot arid region. It is mainly grown in India, different countries in Central Asia, China and Taiwan. It has been truly called as poor man's fruit and king of arid fruits. Bayer can suitably be grown almost in all the parts of North Indian plains in UP, Haryana, Punjab and Rajasthan. Seedling Bayer trees are found extensively growing widely in arid and semi-arid areas. Uses: mainly eaten fresh and also used as dried candy, pickled and squash or juice, and Bayer butter can also be prepared. The Bayer extract said to be a good blood purifier and also help in digestion. It is a host plant for rearing the kusumi type of lac insect. Now, species and varieties. The genus Ziziphus consists of about 40 species: Ziziphus jujuba, Chinese Bayer, and Ziziphus mauritiana, Indian Bayer, are the two species grown widely in temperate, tropical and subtropical region of the world respectively. Ziziphus mauritiana is a native of China, now cultivated in Punjab, UP, Bihar and Rajasthan. Ziziphus nummularia is found in northwest India and Andhra Pradesh. It causes invert bottleneck graft incompatibility with Ziziphus mauritiana. Ziziphus oenoplea found in north and peninsular India. Ziziphus rugosa found in UP, Bihar, MP and Western Peninsular. Ziziphus sativa found in Punjab and Bengal. And Ziziphus gylopyrus, it is found in MP. Now, cultivars. There are more than 300 cultivars listed out. These have been developed by selection in different regions and against different states. On the basis of early, mid-season and late, the varieties are depicted here. For Haryana, early season Gola Safeda, Sandura, Narnaul, Sio, Chonchal, these are the varieties. For mid-season, Kathili, Mehrana, Sanaur 5, Muria, and for late, Umran. In Maharashtra, Samvar, Badami in early, Merun, Garoki, Kharki in mid-season. For Punjab, Najuk, Noki, Sev, Rohtaki, Gola, Sandura, Narnaul in early, Banarasi, Dandan, Kathili, Thornless in mid-season, and Umran, Ilaichi and Pathani in late season. In Rajasthan, Gola, Sev in early season, Jogia, Mundia in mid-season, and Katha, Bagwadi, Maharaldi in late season. For the state of UP, where it is extensively grown, Narma, Varanasi, Banarsi Gola in early, Banarsi Karaka, Pevandi, Mehrun in mid-season, and Jogia, Alingan in late season. And for Gujarat, Ajmeri, Chameli in late season. Gola, Seb, Mundia, these varieties are suitable for extremely dry region. However, Banarsi Karaka, Umran and Mehrun for dry to comparatively humid region it is suitable. And Gola variety is tolerant to saline soils. Now soil and climatic condition for propagation and cultivation of ber. Soil, because of its hardy and taproot system, it can be grown in a wide range of soil including porous and infertile soils, unsuitable for major fruit and other crops. It grows well in sandy loam soil with neutral or slightly alkaline reaction. It also grows satisfactorily in saline soils. Climate. It prefers hot and dry climate for quality fruits and production of the produce. It can be grown up to an altitude of 1000 meter from mean sea level. Tree growth, flowering, fruit development and maturity seem to be more or less correlated with temperature, and thus it varies. Propagation. The germination time of seed can be reduced to 1 week by cracking the endocarp carefully because it is very tough. The seedling raised are mainly used as rootstocks. Commercially, ber is propagated by T budding or I budding. The time of budding depends mainly on temperature, RH and availability of budding material. In dry areas, in situ budding is highly successful. In situ budding means root stock is grown where the orchard has to be established, and on the spot budding or grafting or whatever it is done, it is conducted. This is in situ. Now cultivation. A plant spacing of 6 meter into 6 meter in the low rainfall areas, accommodating 277 plants per hectare, and 8 meter into 8 meter in high rainfall areas, accommodating 156 plants per hectare is followed for ber. Monsoon period June to July in South India and August-September in North India is preferable period of planting. Training. To establish a strong framework, the tree is trained to a single stem up to a height of 75 to 90 cm in the first year. Later 3 to 5 main branches widely spread at all directions may be encouraged. The same process should be repeated to develop tertiary branches. Final branching and correlation of framework should be done in the third year. Now pruning. The fruits are borne in axils of leaves on the young shoot of current season. Therefore, a regular annual pruning in ber is very much necessary to induce a good and healthy growth which will provide the maximum fruit bearing area on the tree. The best time for pruning is after the harvest during the hot and dry season, or when it sheds its leaves and become dormant. Dry, dead and diseased wood, criss-cross branches and weak crotches are removed at the time of pruning. After the establishment of framework, pruning should be continued every year. For optimum yield and good quality fruit, 25% of 1-year-old shoot should be headed back. Irrigation. Since it has very deep taproot system and it is xerophytic in nature and very hardy, once gets established, needs little care and irrigation. It prefers dry period during flowering and need irrigation for November-February span for better fruit development. Now manuring. For leaf analysis, 5th and 6th leaf from the secondary shoot should be collected for nutritional diagnostic. Recommended dose of fertilizer is 50 kg FYM, 500 gram nitrogen, 200 gram P2O5 and 500 gram K2O from second year onwards. In first year, half of the second year dose is given, and after second year, constant dose is given in every year. Manuring should be done immediately after pruning. Spraying of 2% potassium nitrate thrice at monthly intervals in January, February, March has been found beneficial. Flowering. In South India, flowering starts from July and continues to September, with major fruit set in August itself. In North India, during February to April. It is a cross-pollinated crop, and prominent pollinating insect, that is pollinator, are honeybee, houseflies and yellow wasp. The fruit set ranges from 6.19 to 8.16%. However, under controlled cross-pollination, it ranges between 26 to 46%. Spraying of gibberellic acid 2,4,5-T found to improve the fruit set and decrease the fruit drop. Fruit growth of bear exhibit a double sigmoid curve with 3 distinct phases: and early phase of 45 days after fruit set, middle phase of 45 to 90 days after fruit set, and final phase which comes 90 days after flowering, 90 days after fruit set to maturity. It takes about 185 days. The growth pattern of fruits and seeds can be shown by this figure. This is double sigmoid curve. Now harvesting. Bear fruits, as we all know, that it is botanically drupe and climacteric in nature. It matures 150 to 175 days after flowering. A pre-harvest spray of 750 ppm 2-chloroethyl phosphonic acid, SHEPA. This is the actual name of chemical which provides ethylene gas and used as a ripening hormone, and known by different trade name, ethefon, ethyl, etc. This is the main chemical, SHEPA, used as ripening hormone. The maturity indices are attainment of full size of a particular cultivar with softening of pulp and development of characteristic yellow or golden yellow color. Picking is done manually and sorted in different groups as overripe fruit, unripe fruit, damaged fruit, etc. The correct matured fruit are graded as per size in large, medium and small, and marketed after proper packing. And all we know that this fruit in our place, it comes during the Saraswati Puja. It is in very high demand during that period. Yield 80 to 200 kg per tree from 10 to 20-year-old tree. It is obtained. Dropping the bear fruit, dipping the bear fruit in Waxol 6%. Solution is observed to be effective in reducing the fruit weight loss and decay loss. The ripening is also delayed by this. Storage. Treating the fruit with wax emulsion and keeping them in perforated papers and polythene bags with wax emulsion treatment could extend the storage life of bear fruits. Under cold storage of 3 degrees Celsius and 85 to 90% RH, the fruits could be stored up to 30 to 40 days. This is all about bear. Thank you very much.